Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's video, we'll be sharing with our viewers the best mind mapping tool in 2022. Let's get started. Before we talk about mind mapping tools, let's talk about the concept of mind maps and how they work. Mind mapping software, you can think of it like a step up from traditional pen and paper data viz. It removes the creativity stifling space limitations and makes use of powerful features like cross-linking multimedia file uploads and real-time sync. And what better tool to create and store in-depth mind maps than Taskade itself? Taskade is a real-time unified workspace for teams and individuals. It lets you chat, plan, manage projects, assign tasks, and wait for it, create beautiful mind maps. Simply create a new project and navigate to the pre-built mind map template to start your mind mapping journey. Feel free to add or remove task blocks to truly customize a mind map and make it your own. The best part about this mind map is the fact that everything you do in Taskade is stored in a hierarchical database, and that means every project can be transformed from a mind map to 4 other views according to your needs, so you can visualize everything with ease. Taskade also has deep linking, wherein you can use @ or mentions to link projects and establish connections between mind map projects in your workspace. There are more than 500 plus templates that you can choose across 26 categories and customize them to fit your workflow. And of course, in Taskade, users can also chat or video conference with your team while collaborating in real time on the same page. And that's how you truly create fascinating mind maps within Taskade. We truly hope that this video helped you enhance your Taskade experience, and we'll be back with a new video soon. Go check out Taskade from the first link in the description below, and be sure to leave a like as well as subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.